Welcome to this video on the future of data strategy and the data scientist career path. This guide covers the journey from foundational education to senior analytics leadership in one of the most critical roles in modern technology. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Career Path series. In this first chapter, we examine the current landscape. We explore the forces shaping the demand for data science and the essential role data scientists play in converting massive data sets into actionable corporate strategy. The data economy is driven by exponential growth, with hundreds of zettabytes of data created annually. This creates a massive demand for skilled professionals who can extract meaning, bridge the strategy gap, and drive business decisions. Data scientists serve as the strategic intelligence, business translators, and cross-disciplinary builders of the modern organization. They combine technical rigor with business acumen to create measurable competitive advantages. The impact and scale of this profession are clear. Competitive salaries, projected job growth of 34%, and the constant expansion of the global data supply, all driving the need for skilled experts. Chapter 2 covers the evolution of the role, from the early days of statistical computing and database management to today's advanced AI-integrated data science practices. Data science emerged as a formal discipline in the late 20th century, rooted in academic statistics and operations research. It has since become an indispensable bridge between raw data and business strategy. Authority in data science has shifted, with roles now spanning from advisory analysts to chief data officers. Professional designations like the Certified Analytics Professional help mark achievement at the highest levels. Data scientists are now indispensable across every sector, including technology, healthcare, finance, and government. They solve the structural problem of overwhelming data by building predictive systems that guide strategy. In Chapter 3, we outline the roadmap to becoming a data scientist, covering the necessary path from undergraduate education through specialized credentialing to senior leadership roles. The journey begins with a strong undergraduate foundation in mathematics, statistics, computer science, or engineering. These degrees provide the quantitative rigor and programming fluency needed for later success. Real-world industry experience is essential. Working within data-generating or deploying organizations allows candidates to sharpen their practical judgment and understand how models truly function in production environments. Choosing a graduate path is the next step. Whether pursuing a master's degree for technical specialization or a PhD for research leadership, these credentials are vital for advancing into senior data science roles. Specialization is key. Roles vary from machine learning engineering and business intelligence to AI research and domain-applied data science, each requiring specific expertise to solve unique enterprise challenges. Finally, certifications and professional recognition, such as the Certified Analytics Professional designation, help validate your expertise. Continuous learning remains the hallmark of a successful data science career. Moving into the daily reality of the job, this chapter explores what data scientists actually do, from building models and designing experiments to driving organizational change. Data scientists focus on 4 core pillars: engineering clean datasets, developing and validating robust models, communicating insights to leadership, and conducting iterative experiments to measure real-world impact. Analytical excellence pays off. There are over 245,000 data scientists in the U.S. alone, with a projected 34% growth rate through 2034 and documented potential for massive profit improvements. The daily routine varies by setting, whether in fast-paced tech companies, regulated financial services, or critical life sciences research. Data scientists must adapt their tools to fit the domain. To excel, modern data scientists combine technical fluency in programming and ML with the ability to tell stories using statistics, all while keeping business goals at the center of their work. Beyond technical output, the human element is vital. Data scientists are advocates for evidence-based decision-making, helping leaders bridge the gap between complex models and long-term organizational strategy. In Chapter 5, we discuss career prospects and growth, examining the structural forces that ensure this remains a high-demand, high-compensation profession for years to come. Demand is structural, driven by the rapid growth of AI, the need for competitive data-driven advantages, and a persistent global shortage of talent in critical industries. Career paths beyond individual contribution include director-level leadership, executive roles like chief data officer, and specialized research or independent consulting practices. The modern toolkit encompasses everything from advanced statistical modeling and cloud infrastructure to complex causal inference and the cultivation of an analytical team culture. Staying current with the evolving technology landscape is a professional imperative. Frameworks change rapidly, and mastery of the right stack is often the difference between a prototype and a production system. There is also life beyond corporate teams. Many professionals find success in startup environments, academia, or by managing their own consulting practices to avoid burnout and focus on high-impact work. As of 2026, success is measured by clear metrics: model performance, experiment velocity, and the ability to build sustainable pipelines of talent for the future. Finally, we look at the hiring process. Success in the current job market requires optimizing your resume for automated systems, showcasing quantifiable impact, and building a network beyond standard job boards. The future of data science is bright. As organizations continue to evolve, the path forward involves leading analytics with a focus on mission-aligned work and strategic business influence.